continue working on this Gladiator bumper. We got this intersection all tacked up, and I think I'm gonna start doing some welding. So whatever warpage we get can settle out of it before we build any more onto it. So I guess that's what we'll do first. That's it. It's all welded out. It's quite a bit of welding. We took our time, we skipped around, let it cool off a little bit, and it stayed pretty flat.
Yeah, it definitely took a long time. You know, making a few welds, letting it cool for a little bit, coming back, making a few more. See, and there's some areas where, you know, don't feel like it was really necessary to completely weld it out. We stitch weld the spots along the inside.
Stitch weld all the back, because
yeah, all the back where you're going to be sanding down. You're going to be sanding down the weld on the outside. You want to make sure you got plenty of weld to hold there.
Yeah, that'll keep it from cracking in the future.
Come around to the front and everything's welded. Everything's welded solid. Coming along. So what's next, Holmes?
I guess we'll bolt it back up and start working on these wings. That's what I'm calling them anyway. Side pieces. We'll probably just cut a piece a little bit big and start whittling away at it until we get a profile we like. We're still kind of engineering this thing as we go, so we'll just get a piece on there and draw some lines on it until we like it. And we'll start cutting parts again.
Sounds like a plan. Alright guys, well, we were talking about warpage, so we definitely got a little. So, you know, the bumper was bolting up fine before. Now we got it all welded out. And this passenger side does not want to go in. It gets started, but it's dragging the holes on the mount. So we're going to do like we did with the other side, just kind of take a little bit off the inside of the holes, give us a little wiggle room, and then hopefully we'll be back to fitting up like it's supposed to again.
Try that.
Yeah, let's give this a shot, see what it does.
Beautimus. Yep. Alright, so we've been drawing on this thing for probably an hour now, pondering. And what we've decided we want to do is we're going to leave these lines straight. We contemplated coming up to slim it out a little bit, but this is what we ended up with. We're going to break this, so this isn't going to be straight anymore. It's more or less going to follow this. This plate will. It won't end up square, obviously, but this is the shape we're going to try to put into this plate. And go from there, I guess.
Okay guys, so here's where we're at. So we talked about how we wanted to do these ends. This is what we came up with. If you look down on it, you can see how it breaks back. You know, kind of similar to that break there. Breaks back, comes in a lot closer to the fender flare. This out here is just extra material we left on in case we were able to break it around the edge. But I don't think we're going to have enough to do that, so we may end up having to weld those pieces in. But overall, looks pretty good. So we'll bring in angled piece in here, and then of course we'll cut all this back to tie all that in. We got to do some massaging on this to get it to fit the contour of the fender flare, but it's looking good. Coming right along. So we'll start doing some more trimming and start fitting some more pieces.
line it up like that. Yeah, I figured that. Nailed it. Yep, pretty dang good. All right, I'll take that any day. Try to get this on the inside so it don't draw. How to hold it. These are my shape 5s. Yeah. I wonder I can't see anything. Thought you were just gonna weld with them things. Pull it out, we can't push it in. Good? Yep. On the outside, it looks like it can come out. This needs to come. Well, here's where we're at. Been fiddling around with these ends for a while. We decided to go ahead and break it to match this. So that's what the outside corners will look like. Match pretty good. Coming down. Alright guys, well this brings us to the end of episode 3. So we've got the main part of the bumper welded out. We've got our wings tacked in place where we want them. We've had it on the Jeep. Everything looks good. Looks like they're going to fit up real nice. And we've also got these little ends put on that we broke. They follow the inside contour of the fender flare, so those line up real good. So when we come back on the next episode, we will be filling this in here, getting this flat across. We've got parts already cut here that will get set on here level, and then that'll give us a good template to lay this piece out that fills that in. So we'll get that done on both sides. We've also got to get the bottom boxed in here, tied into the skid plate. So still a little bit of work to go, but we'll get that in the next episode hopefully, and move on to bigger and better things. So appreciate you sticking with us, watching the video. If you liked it, if you don't mind, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to support us, go check us out on Patreon. Also want to remind y'all that we're doing our small giveaway this month, 2 Milwaukee rechargeable flashlights. So make sure you subscribe, or if you'd like to support us on Patreon, that'd be great too. But that'll get y'all entered into this month's drawing. And then, like I say, every month from here on, we're going to do a drawing, and we're hoping to get bigger and better items as we move forward. So thanks for y'all's support, and we'll see you on the next one.